So I want to talk about states. So you can set a variable which indicates what the player is currently doing, because you're not going to want to just run this platforming code. If it's just a simple platformer, sure, but our player is going to attack enemies in the game. So we don't want our player to be able to move around while attacking. We can set a variable equal to, for example, state equal attack, and check whether it equals attack, or check whether it equals stand, or check whether it equals walking or running. Well, we can create something called an enumerator, which we can use for states. An enumerator is used for storing constant values, and it's easy to access them. Now, once you set up these constants, they can never be changed. So that's just to let you know. So what you're going to want to do is do enum, and then indicate the name of your enumerator. Then, in curly braces, put that around, or put that after the enumerator in your name, and then indicate what your values equal. So these values, or these variables that equal values, actually no, they're not variables, but they're constants, they're going to equal something. Now, we could have, for example, attack equal 1, and we'd have to separate this with a comma, and then we could do stand equal 2, and run equal 3. And you don't put a comma after that. And then we can actually set a variable such as current, and then we can make that equal to a state. So if we do current, we can do state dot, and then we put the name of the constant in that enumerator. So for example, current equals state dot attack, current equals state dot run, and what we'll do is we'll check for if the current state is run. So we'll do if current equals state dot run, then we'll run this code. Now remember that if you do show message current, you will end up getting the number 3 back. Now, as you can see here, we can run left and right. Now, if we do show message state dot run, we should get 3. So I got the number 3 with show message. Now, there is no point in doing this. The reason why is you can actually just say that the constant exists. Now, if I do enum state and I do run and then do comma attack, it's going to automatically set up numbers. So the first number is going to equal 1, I believe, or 0, and the next number will equal the number after that. So if I do show message state dot run, it's already going to set that number. Now, I told you that you can make these constants equal a number. You can make them also equal a string and possibly a data structure. Okay, that equals 0, so we can do run, attack, stand, damage. We're definitely going to want to have a damage state. So run, attack, and damage. So currently it's state.run. Now, we're going to want to run all of this code, or all of our movement code, inside of if current equals state.run. So you can see over here, if current equals state.run, then we're going to run the falling, and we're going to run the running code and the falling code. So when the person is currently attacking, we're not going to run this code. So current equals state.run. So, and we'll remove this show message. That's really simple. It's the running state. See you guys next lecture.